Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Compaq display, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable this LED indicator. So firstly, open my menu by clicking on this button, then scroll down using minus button, scroll down, find management here, click OK. Then scroll down using this button, this minus button again, and find here Bezel Power LED. Click OK. Scroll down using minus button and click OK. That's it. As you can see, now my LED indicator is disabled. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.